Once you have all of your measurements completed, you need to color the 4 pieces: the main body, the 2 fins, and the air scoop. Doesn't matter what colors they are, it needs to have color. Once you have finished coloring your 4 pieces, you will start to cut them out. You need to cut out the main body, the 2 fins, and the air scoop. Remember, the air scoop is a trapezoid. You need to cut along the diagonal lines that you created. Let's take our main body and we're going to cut 2 3-inch slits in the back. Do not cut this rectangle off. You need it. Bend it at that middle line. Now you're going to fold over both sides. Make sure you try to be as accurate as possible and fold them flat. That way they have a nice sharp crease. We're now going to tape down the back slope. Take the tape halfway on and half off, pull it back and tape it so that it has a slope going down to the back corner. Do this on both sides. We're going to use glue to glue on the fins. You want to glue on the fins with the short little end towards the front. Do this on both sides. We're now going to take the air scoop and fold down the little triangles on the side. Do this as accurately as possible. Fold both triangles on both sides. You now have a short side and a long side. The short side is going to go to the front of the car. The long side will go towards the back, which should create a big area in the back and a small little hole in the front. Use glue and glue it in place, and you might need to use a pencil so that you can press it into place on both sides so the glue will hold. As your car moves, the scoop should push the air down so it helps it float. Measure and find the middle of the body and mark it. Use a pin or something sharp to poke a hole at that marked spot. Now take a paper clip and we're going to bend it at 90 degrees on one side. This will make the hook to attach the rubber band to as we launch it. Slide it through the hole so the hook is pointing towards the back. You're going to tape the paper clip in place. To make sure that it doesn't move or tear out, put the tape through the hole in the paper clip. That way it'll hold it both on top of and underneath. Second piece of tape will lock it in place. To launch the skimmer, we attach our rubber band to a yardstick. Put the hook on the end of the rubber band. Make sure that it's held in place. Pull it from the very back of the skimmer to about 12 inches. When you let go, it glides across the floor.